Hello YouTube, Dano here. Just wanted to show this 183 piece Stanley socket set. I got a really good deal on this. I picked it up off of Let Go. $60. And it's complete. Allen keys, wrenches, torque bits, deep, shallow. Feels like still oil on some of this stuff. Let's get the full accompaniment of sockets, all the ratchets. And the ratchets are 72 tooth. Nice sounding ratchets. I am looking at this set. I'm thinking, well, where's the 3/8 extension? They hid it underneath here. But yeah, I don't know. Nice set. I've already got one of these sets too. But I grabbed it anyways because it is such a good deal. But yeah, $60. These things retail almost $400. I see on Let Go every once in a while, people always trying to get it. But I found a nice good one here. Yep, do not use with impacts. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. This is Dano. And this set's going to end up in the car. Alright, thank you. Bye.